President Duterte is not keen on running for vice president. Presidential spokesperson Roque clarified this after Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Secretary Panelo floated the idea of Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte running for president with her father, President Duterte, as running mate in the 2022 polls. But according to Roque, Duterte is already looking forward to the end of his term.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.